Hi there, my name's Scott. I'm a mortgage broker with Dominion Lending Canada, and I wanted to share with you today one of my Paper Doesn't Blush videos. So in this series, we talk about all that paperwork that I have you chasing down when you're applying for a mortgage, or that I'm going to need in the future if you're going to apply for a mortgage, and good things to keep when you receive them. So today we're going to talk about bank statements and how these are useful and how they help you. Now, when you're applying for a mortgage, we have to prove where your down payment is coming from. So if you're buying, we need to prove where the down payment funds are coming from. And if they're in your savings account, then we need to show the lender a statement from your savings account with your name, account number, and your balance and all your transactions. And you get these mailed to you, but a lot of places are going paperless now. You can print this stuff online, but it doesn't always have your name and account number for security reasons. You can always get these from your branch. Now, these are very important because the lender needs to verify where the money came from, and it's their job to do that. So they're always going to ask for, most often, 3 months history on the bank account that your down payment is coming from. If it's from an RRSP, if you're a first-time home buyer using your RRSP, well then 3 months history of the RRSP account. And you can get those from various places. If you want some tips on that, you can give me a call. But usually you get RRSP statements every 3 months. So if you have the last one and the current one, you should be good. You can also get a transaction history from your bank. So those are some things you're going to need. Now, if you're just save the money up in your savings account, then the last 90 days works great. If the money was a gift, say from your parents because you're buying your first home and they're helping you out, then we'll get a letter from them. I have a letter you can use, but we have to show the deposit of that money into your bank account. So that's why we're asking for bank account statements and why it's important to keep your bank account statements. Keep them saved on your computer or keep them in a file folder locked up at home. And with all this paperless stuff going on, you can still get your statements. They still exist. They're just in a PDF format with the bank, or they can email them to you, something like that. So very important, little small detail that always comes up and can be a bit of a paper chase, something you can hang on to and make your life a bit easier. So in my job, it's so important that I'm able to back up all the information you're telling me with paper, because the lender, they don't get to know you, they don't make gut decisions, they make it all on paper. Paper doesn't blush, as we say. So that's why your bank account statements are so important, or your RSP statements are so important. So you may say, all this junk mail that's coming from the bank, throw it away. It's important. That's why it's important. So thanks for your time today, and there'll be more of these videos explaining the paperwork that we need to chase down to get you the best mortgage for your situation. I appreciate you taking the time, and I'll look forward to speaking with you. My contact information follows this video.